Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, I will show you how to change the leather strap on a watch. Let's get started. You don't need any special tools, you can use something similar to these tools. This is my favorite tool for changing straps, light and practical. Just push the pin towards yourself, like this. It's very simple. This is how the pin that secures the strap works. Just make sure to use the right tool for this. Easy and fast. Now, let's put a new strap on the watch. Use a thin tool to push the pin back in. I'll also use other tools for arranging the straps. If you have this type of strap, it can be easily replaced. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.